gonna go ready and 1, 2, 3 and hello. 1, 2, 3 and hello. Yeah? One more time for good luck. Ready and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and. Everybody okay? Okay. The next move I call wash your hands. So you're gonna put your hands on your, like you're put it on your mat. You're gonna step with your right. So 1, you're gonna step with your left. Wash your hands. You can step with your right and then wash your hands. One more time. So step with your right, left, and wash your hands, and left, and wash your hands. Okay, so the next part is working from home. So you're gonna go up and you're gonna make a computer. Yeah. So you're gonna step forward with your right, 1 and down. Then you're gonna flip through your paperwork. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. So you're gonna step with your right, up, and your computer, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Okay, so the next part is like you're checking off your guidelines. So the first part you're gonna tap down on your right, and then with your left hand it's a check mark up. So you're gonna check, check, and you're gonna make a check mark. Yeah. One more time. So you're gonna step to your right, 1, 2, and check mark. Then after that, if you do all of this, it'll be okay. So step with your right, 1, 2, check mark, save, and okay. Okay, can we try it one time from the top? So from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, fast, and hands and computer up, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4.